Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Render, FET and Injective price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. Let's start with Render with our pattern here where we have a potential triangle A, B, C, D, and E unfolding as a potential wave 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. However, we have so far 3 waves down, so basically we cannot call it a 1, 2. Another potential here can be another 3 ways down, and definitely here so far we have 3 ways up. So basically, yes, this is a pattern of a triangle unfolding, I would say. It can be very likely that we might get a wave E here in a wave 4 and then pushing towards the upside. However, if the things turns around and start to show something as a weakness, taking this low, starting from that low here, we gotta be careful. It is a red flag. Because by taking this low, well, it is very likely to take the invalidation at 1.55. If this happens, I'm still expecting a wave 5 there in bearish, and this is my highest probability because I'm still looking to finish 5 waves. Honestly, I'm not really convinced that this can be a bullish scenario. But so far, I mean, the micro level suggests so I cannot deny it that this can be a triangle wave 4 without invalidation, still holding. But we gotta be careful with it because it is very, very close to the invalidation. And the timing here and there, like, is very, very long, I would say, meaning the momentum is somehow weak. Yeah, so we don't see a very nice momentum for really impulse toward the upside. But maybe it's gonna hold on and then pushing for higher. But be careful. It might be a red flag, of course, in case we start to take the first low over there. Now, bull run trigger, definitely by taking one more wave 5 here, 1 to 1 at $1, very psychological number, and we explode toward the upside. And that because, of course, we finished here a correction, W, X, and a Y, or I would say A, B, and a C can be as well. But higher probability for a wave Y, and then because we have an A here, B, and a C is your diagonal. Yep, so this is regarding render. We'll see what's gonna happen. Basically, I'm not convinced that we're pushing for higher. Definitely, I'm looking for lower, but without taking this low. If we take this low, we gotta be careful, guys. Okay, that was it for render. Let's move for FET. FET as well, still holding this massive impulse. I would say wave 3. Now, I would say FET is much more comfortable than render with the impulse. The gap is still wide, I would say, until the invalidation. Plus, the pattern is somehow different that we have here from a render. And that means it can be possible an A, B, and a C expanding flat wave. C can still be unfolding over there. And it can still take a little bit more time before we push toward the upside. However, of course, we gotta watch this in case we dive impulsively. This will be the signal. If we dive impulsively, be careful from a 1, 2, and then potential 3, 4, and a 5. Of course, that it might take the invalidation. By taking invalidation directly, it's gonna turn it into ABC here, finished, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Potentially as an expanding diagonal, which is the only probability here that we might get. Yeah, for FET. It's impossible to be in a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. Very far possibility, guys. Very likely we are in a W here. X 3 waves. And then we have a wave Y. So far it is done and finished. If the impulse will not hold on and push toward the downside, taking the invalidation, okay. Definitely it's a zigzag expanding diagonal that it might still be unfolding. And getting, of course, the bull run trigger there and then pushing for higher. Yeah, so this is still my target there around the 1 to 1 fib level. 0.11 cents still, of course, possible. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see if this is gonna happen. Don't forget the time is very essential. Now the time can be reached over there also as a correction, then pushing for higher. But maybe, yeah, maybe one more low. We'll see, guys, what's going to happen, but be careful from a massive impulse toward the downside. This might be the signal. Injective. For Injective, we are looking at the 4-hour chart here, finalizing our double 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. and then 4 and a 5 here. The final wave 5 for injective, so in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ending diagonal, where we got our wave 4 finished potentially here by taking the high, and we might finish up with the final wave 5. Don't forget that the trigger for a bull run is very, very close here for a new low. In case this is what we gonna have as a wave 5, expect kind of like a zigzag there, and then bullish toward the upside again, of course, a bull run that it might start. So very interesting. We are very, very close for something to be bullish there for the crypto market. One more low, I believe, can be our trigger for a bull market, and then yeah, we might start to see some longs towards the upside. Very, very interesting. Let's watch what's gonna happen. That was it for Render, FET, and Injective. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.